What's good, YouTube? Metal Boy Shine. I'm here with another video, but today we got a story time video. You guys see the title. This is the story of how I made my ex cry during sex. I was thinking, if I'm gonna do a story time, I might as well get butt naked and go all out. You know what I mean? Like, might as well give y'all a fire story time. You know, for the first one. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are shooting for 5,000 subscribers by the end of the month. If we can make that happen, let's do that. If you guys want to see more story time videos, hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below if you guys want to see more story times. Also, some topics of stories that you may want to hear. I kind of got a lot of stories. A lot of my stories are kind of college stories, but I got a lot of stories. So just comment down below what you guys may want to see, and I can try to make that happen. But take off this story time. It was me and my ex, right? And we gonna call her Pop-Tart. Alright? We're gonna call my ex Pop-Tart. So if I can remember correctly, this was like, I wanna say it was like Valentine's Day or like my birthday. It was one of those. It was either Valentine's Day or it was my birthday. And cause I know, dang, I don't know what day was it. I want to say it was Valentine's. I don't know. I want to say it was Dad's Valentine's because on Valentine's Day she was actually on her period. So like, you know, we wasn't gonna do it or whatever. So I had to wait pretty much. So I think it was Valentine's Day. But anyways, that whole day it was I mean, it was lit, cause you know Valentine's Day, you know, you got your boo, like, you know, kind of fresh boo, you know, you give her stuff, you know, she gives you stuff, you know, whatever, like, you know, you have, you know, you cuddle, all that stuff. And this was back in this was my freshman year of college, and we didn't stay in the same dorm room, but she actually came over one of the nights, and we was just chilling and cuddling, you know, kissing, all that, you know, all that stuff, whatever. And you know, it was just real chill. And then like we started to get into it, you know what I mean? Like we started to get into it. So you know, she's doing her thing, I'm doing my thing, and you know, we started doing it. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? We started doing it. And you know, I'm thinking, you know, okay, we're gonna do it, and then you know, it's just gonna be whatever. But I don't know what it was. For some reason, I just felt like I felt like Superman. Like I was invincible. Like when I tell y'all I was going in, like, yo, I was going crazy. I don't know what it was, but like my stamina was on like ultra instinct. Like my stamina was crazy. So we was just doing it. Like we started off on the bed. Imagine, like in college, well, at certain colleges, it's like, it was like a bunk bed. So it was, you know, kind of high. So, you know, we was doing it like that. And then I was like, you know what? Let's try something different. Let's try something new. So I was like, you know, get down on the floor. So we get on the floor, but not like we didn't get on the floor. We just got down from the bed. And I was like, we had like a counter in our room. So it was like a counter right here. And then if you turn around from the counter, you got a bed to the right and a bed to the left. Because remember, I got a roommate. My roommate's my best friend. And I don't think he was in there. No, he wasn't there. He was actually at like his girl's house or something, whatever. So my bed is on the right. So I was like, get down. I was like, you know, get in front of the counter. Bend over from the counter. She was like, okay, you know, whatever. So bend over in front of the counter. Boom, I'm hitting it. I'm going in front of the counter. So after that, I was like, you know what? Let's try something else. So, and also there's like a desk. It's like a desk between my bed and my roommate's bed. I was like, you know what? Been over in front of the desk. So been over in front of the desk. Same thing, still going. And then I was like, you know what? Get over here and stand up and like put your hands on like the bed frame. So we was doing it like when I tell you, bro, I was going in. Fellas, if you could, I know some of y'all could relate to this. Like, this is some of those days you just feel invincible. You got all the stamina in the world. Like, you feel like a god. Like, you in them guts. You know what I'm saying? Like, you in them guts. You know what I'm, okay. But so we was going, and I put her back on the table, but I told her to turn around this time. So that actually, now she was facing me, and I was hitting it like that. So it was kind of like, you know, I was like holding her legs like this, like, you know, like this, and I was doing like that. And then, and all of a sudden I get a knock on my door. Doom, doom, doom. I was like, oh shoot. Granted, I'm pretty much naked. All I got on is like some socks. Like, all I got is socks. So I opened the door, and I crack it open. I'm like, yo. It's my roommates next to me. Granted, my roommates were not my roommates, my neighbors. My neighbors were hilarious. They was like, "Yo, you good?" Like, you know, all that, you know, there's a lot going on. That noise. I'm like, "Yeah, I'm straight." He was like, "You sure?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm good." And he was like, "Your girl in there?" I was like, "Yeah." He was like, "Oh!" I was like, bro, it was so funny. I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "All right, do your thing." I was like, "For sure." So then I closed the door, and that killed my mood. That killed the whole vibe, because I was going in. I felt invincible, and then I turned around. Next thing you know, it's just like it was dead. I'm like, wow, that killed the whole mood. Like, the whole vibe was gone. The whole mood was gone. And she was like, I got you. So, you know, she started doing her thing, and I'm like, all right, cool, we back and we better. You know what I'm saying? We here. So, I was like, bet, let's get to it. So, then I was like, you know, I sat in the chair like how I am now. So I was like, you know, come here. So she gets on top, and we're doing it like that, and she's on the chair. Now that's tiring, because I kind of have to, like, you know, help her out. That was tiring. That's tiring. But after we did that, and I know this sounds like a lot. But it was a lot. Like, it was a long night. Like, it was crazy. But after that, I told her to bend over in front of the table again. And then on that one, I was like, you know what? I'm letting it all out. Okay, I'm going full power. I need everybody to give me all their energy, because I'm finna blow. Alright, like, I'm finna let loose. Like, it's raps. So I'm going crazy, you know. I'm going crazy, right? And all of a sudden, she gives out like these like 3 big moans. I'm not gonna do the moans. I'm not doing the moans, but you know, she did like 3 big moans. And then all of a sudden, she starts crying. I'm like, yo, like, what happened? Like, what's going on? She was like, oh my God, like, I'm just so dead, I'm tired, and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, you good? She's like, yeah. And I was just like, yo, you really crying? She's like, yeah, but it's tears of joy, like, I'm happy, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, whoa, I've never had that before. Like, I've never did that to somebody. And it was crazy, but like, in my head, okay, my bad, guys. My memory card actually got full. But what I was saying was, I was like, yo, like, this is lit. I never had that happen. Like, this is crazy. Like, I just did great. Like, that's great on my part. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, fellas, if you ever make a girl cry, but like a good cry, you did your thing, bro. Like, you did your thing. You was in the guts. Like, you was in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, that was a crazy night, and that is a night I probably won't ever forget, because that was crazy. That was so crazy. But on that bombshell, that pretty much is the conclusion of that story. There's actually another story where I made another female cry during sex. That's the story in itself. That is crazy. If you guys want to possibly hear that story, let me know in the comments below. If you want any more college story times, let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. If you want more story times, also hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Okay, also before I go, I have a really like banger story that I can tell y'all. All I'ma say is 5 girls, 3 dudes.